What's up, beautiful people? Matt Walrath here, and I'm going to show you how to get BNB or Binance Coin into your Metamask. Now, this is where things get fun if you are planning on paying people with cryptocurrency or accessing the wonderful world of decentralized applications, decentralized finance, whatever it is that you're using it for. So first things first, you're going to need to set up an exchange account. So I've got multiple exchange accounts. The one or two that I use to onboard my fiat currency, so like my paper money from a bank and turn it into cryptocurrency, is either Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. So both of them make it really easy because you can essentially turn your US dollars into their USDC or USD coin without any transfer fee, without any conversion fee. So I'm just going to use Coinbase because I know a lot of people set it up and it's actually really easy to set up. It's really intuitive. I'm not going to do a video on it, but I will drop a link so that you can get it set up. So we're going to come up to this buy and sell button and you're going to hit buy. From there, I'm just going to purchase $10 with my bank account. And so when I hit buy now, you can see fee is, fee is $1 on Coinbase. So maybe use Coinbase Pro because Coinbase Pro doesn't have a fee. So now I've got my US dollar coin should show up in my portfolio as soon as that buy transaction goes through. And then what I would end up doing is I would hit send and receive. I would want to send my USDC, USD coin. I'd want to send as much of it as possible. Looks like that transaction didn't go through, thankfully. And then what you need to do is you need to get your wallet address for another exchange. Now, there are two exchanges that you can use to get BNB and send it to your MetaMask. One is called Kucoin. Kucoin is great because you don't have to go through KYC, which is know your customer. So you don't have to verify your identity to get onto it and to use it. It's really quick setup and it's got a lot of coins on there that you might want to buy. Binance is another one. It's one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. They are the ones who run Binance Smart Chain. This is not Binance US, this is Binance.com, by the way. So if you are in the United States, you won't be able to use this. There are certain countries that do not allow Binance and Binance doesn't operate in. So you'll want to see whether or not you can set Binance up. But anyways, what we're going to do here is if you're using Binance, you're going to come to deposit from USD coin. So you can just type in USDC. You hit deposit and you are going to have your own wallet on Binance. So you can just go to your Ethereum network, you can copy your address, and then you can paste it in here. So from there, once you hit continue, it's going to tell you what the network fee is. Obviously, I don't have enough in the account right now to cover the network fee, but if let's say you did, then you'd hit send now, and it should show up in your Binance account within couple hours. Or sorry, couple minutes. Don't worry, you're not going to be waiting that long. Same thing goes for Kucoin, but luckily I have already set up both of these wallets with some money in them, so we can just skip the tutorial. We don't have to wait a few minutes for it to show up. So with Kucoin, you'd be going to your main account to find your USD coin wallet and hitting deposit, same as I did for Binance, choosing the Ethereum network and pasting your wallet address into Coinbase when you're sending. So now that I've got 50 USDC in here, on Kucoin, in order to trade your cryptocurrencies, you have to move it from your main account to your trading account. And the way you do that is by hitting transfer from main account to trading account. We're going to send the full amount. And then from there, we're going to go to trade. We'll hit spot trading. And then from here, we need to go find our, USDC BNB. So I don't have it here. So I'm going to click this drop down next to BTC USDT. I'm going to type in BNB. And you can see, okay, so BNB is paired with USDT, their Kucoin shares, or Bitcoin. So if you send Bitcoin here, you can trade for it. But if you send USDC from Coinbase, you'll actually need to go find the USDT and USDC trading pair. Now from here, you need to, I have a trading password set up for security. So from here, you're going to want to sell all of your USDC to get USDT. Or maybe I need to, what do we got here? Oh, sorry, market order. So we're going to sell, there we go, sell or buy USDT using all of our USDC. So when I hit buy USDT, I've placed the order. I'll instantly have a balance of USDT. And now I can go to the BNB USDT pair. Ooh, look at this. BNB is doing well. And now I'm going to want to buy BNB. So I hit 100%, hit buy BNB. And now I am going to have this BNB showing up in my account. I've got 0.12. So I'm going to hit transfer. And I'm going to want to move from my trading account to my main account. I'm going to want to move the BNB, and I want the maximum available. Because once I move it back to my main account, that means that I'm able to now send it to my Metamask. So if I hit Metamask and I grab my account and I copy it to the clipboard, I'm going to go to withdraw. I'm going to paste in my wallet address. You want to make sure that you choose BEP20 BSC. Luckily, Kucoin won't allow you to use BEP2 because it's saving you from yourself. So I'm going to hit max over here. It's going to give me the maximum possible, less the fee, and then I'm going to hit confirm. So I'm going to hit confirm withdrawal, and it's going to be asking me to essentially type in a few things. I'm going to need to send a code to my email because I've got all of this safety stuff set up, and you should too, because you want to avoid any possibility of your account getting wiped out. All right. And so that'll show up in my MetaMask in a few minutes. Now, the same thing goes with Binance. So on Binance, if we come back to USDC, what I will usually do is I will just use convert. You can also go to trade, but for ease, I'll usually just use their convert feature. Usually get a little bit less of a deal, but hey, whatever. So I can preview the conversion, hit convert, go back to my wallet, and we will see in the wallet that I now have a balance of BNB. So I want to withdraw this. So again, I'm going to paste in my MetaMask address. I'm going to send everything I got and hit withdraw. And once again, just got to go through the security and it will all end up in my MetaMask. So that's where I'll end the video. This is where there's a few more steps involved, but this is how you do it. Cheers. See you in the next video.